Development and poverty had always been a major problem in Lingskur Taluk of Raichur district of Karnataka. The clear impact of this problem reflects through the malnourishment among children under the age of 5 in many families in Lingskur. Though the number has decreased by a bit than the past few years, but still several children remains malnourished and even a few among them dies every year.
If you keep on having less food or don't have any food, like starved, people will not only reduce their weight, they also reduce their growth also.
ಮಕ್ಕಳು 12 ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಸಾಧಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ. ಮತ್ತು ಈಗ ಸದ್ಯ ಈ ತಿಂಗಳು 2 ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ರೀ. ಹೋದ ತಿಂಗಳಿದ ಮಕ್ಕಳು 2 ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಒಟ್ಟು 4 ಜನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು.
Initially we had around 80 to 90 malnourished children from the Anganwadis and surrounding areas. No, initially it was around 85 to 90. Now right now it has come back to around 63.
Aditya is one among 3 malnourished children in Jyoti Colony Anganwadi, which comes under Hatti PHC.
वो खाना सही नहीं खाती बच्ची, वो भूख नहीं लग रहा उसको. 2-3 इयर्स तक हमें कुछ नहीं बोल सकते बोले. 3 इयर्स के बाद बच्ची इम्प्रूव होने का चांसेस रहता है बोले. 1 year 11 month है. Weight
However, Aditya was not malnourished since his birth. Many children in Lingskur like Yuvraj and Aman face problems regarding malnourishment from the very time they are born. Many a times the health of the mother during pregnancy affects the health of her child, leading him to malnourishment.
हॉस्पिटल गए ले बाद में घर में नहीं गए उन्होंने फिर घर में ही डिलीवरी हो उसका
ಹುಟ್ಟಿದಾಗಲಿಂದ ಹಿಂಗದೇನ್ರಿ ಅವತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಇದು ನಿಂದ್ರಾಕಾಲಕ್ಕೆ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ರಿ ಏನೋ ಇದು ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಎಣ್ಣೆ ಏನ ಅಂದಿದ್ರ ಅಂತ
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ
ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಹಾಕಿದಿರಿ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಟಾಣಿಕ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಹಾಕಿದಿವ್ರಿ.
Lack of proper food in proper time results in underweight, stunted or wasted children under the age of 6 in Lingskur. The living style of the people in Lingskur affects a lot in the health of their children. Living and eating in an unhygienic situation causes physical problems like indigestion, which later or sooner results into malnourishment.
When children, they are growing by length. Okay, in vertical order they are growing. So initially when they don't have food, they will only reduce their weight, fatty content in the body, no? It becomes thin and bony. Later on if they keep on having less food or less nutritious food, they will reduce their weight growth also. So the height also will start reducing. So we call malnutrition and stunting. So this malnutrition with stunting is called SAM. That is called severe acute malnutrition.
ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕೊಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀವಲ್ರಿ ನಾವು ಪೂರಕ ಆಹಾರ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಅದು ಅವರು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮನೆಗೆ ಕಳಿಸೋದು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಹೇಳಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ಈ ಥರ ತಿನ್ನಿಸ್ರಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು 12 ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಸಾಧಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ.
Dr. Amaramma of HNL PHC finds that the basic reason why the number of malnourishment isn't decreasing in HNL is because of the poverty among the villagers and the lack of concern the children gets because of it. In many families, the parents go out for work for the whole day and thereby their children don't get the proper care, which results in unhygienic and irregular meals.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಪೂವರ್ ಫುಡ್ಡು ज़्यादा काम हो मजदूरी करने जाता.
In the sense, this poor, if the child is nutritionally poor, that means basically they are not taken care of. And somebody who is not taking care of children is definitely they are having some low wages or they are running every day for their wages. So we call daily wages workers. No?
3 एक बुढ़ी ಅಥವಾ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಇಬ್ಬರೇ ಗಂಡ ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಕೂಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ, ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬೆಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಕೂಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ಅದು ಒಂದು ಕಾರಣ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. ಅದೊಂದು ಕಾರಣ ಬಡತನ. Poverty line is below.
Another major reason of malnourishment among the people in Lingskur is multiple pregnancies. There are many cases where the age difference between the 2 children of the same mother is less than 3 years. Also, many families have more than 2 children. This eventually deprives the children from getting proper care to avoid malnourishment.
Malnutrition का मेजर मतलब ये लेडी मल्टीपल प्रेगनेंसी होता है, बसरी मेले 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 बसरी होंगे।
ये बड़ा,
अच्छा,
ये बड़ा है, ये छोटा।
दो छोटे, लड़कियां दो छोटे,
हाँ
ये लड़का एक छोटा।
यही फर्स्ट
इसके
सेकंड
पास
है।
ये बच्ची उसके पीछे है ना।
हाँ, दो जन पीछे है।
वो इसे वो खाती नहीं कुछ।
ये फर्स्ट बेबी 10 महीने का होता, सी इज प्रेग्नेंट ऑफ 4 महीने, हाँ 3-4 महीने के प्रेग्नेंट होती। ऐसा मतलब वो एनीमिया होते, मदर भी एनीमिया होते, बेबी भी malnutrition जाते।
There are 84 malnourishment cases in Ichanal village in Lingskud Taluk, which comprises 28 villages and 42 Anganwadis. Villagers get free treatment from the local PHCs, but malnourishment still remains the major reason of concern among them.
1000 पॉपुलेशन है, 25,000 पॉपुलेशन में 28 गांव आता, 28 गांव में 42 आंगनवाड़ी है, 42 आंगनवाड़ी में 74 माल न्यूट्रिशन चिल्ड्रन है।
The PHCs, with the coordination with the local Anganwadis, carry out awareness programs. They invite mothers and Anganwadi teachers in the PHC and thereby discuss health issues regarding children and their mother.
We have some schemes like VHNDs, VHND, VHSC. VHND is Village Health Nutrition Day. In that, Anganwadis and our field workers, including Panchayat members and all, they have a gathering. In that gathering, they call mothers and they call pregnant women. They sit over there and tell the importance of food to mother and also to the babies, how they are supposed to feed, what are the nutritious diet they are supposed to give. They have a program. So they call up everyone, they show them basic available needs, nearby whatever is available.
Poverty had always been a major problem in Lingskud. Still, the people of Lingskud struggle throughout the day to earn food for their children. But in many cases, the food is not enough for the children to fight against health problems like malnutrition. Hence, malnourishment remains as one of the biggest challenges in Lingskud, while the government schemes and PHCs still remains incapable to do away with it completely.